You know, sometimes products come along and you think, how the hell have I managed all these years without that product? Well, I believe this, the space plug, is one of those products. In this video, I'm going to show you how much time and effort this is going to save you. Traditionally, when you fit kitchen cabinets back to a wall, you'd put these little stretcher plates or angle brackets on the unit. So then you've got to try and get in here to screw the units back to the wall, which makes it very hard for drilling and very hard for screwing. And you tend to get your hole out of line and it pulls the unit out of place and it's very hard. Well, now there's a new way with this little thing. It's called the space plug. It comes in 3 different sizes, and I'm going to show you now how easy it is to fit one of these and how much better it is than using the old method. So it's so simple this. We've drilled our hole through the back of the unit straight into the wall. For this example, it's a studded wall, so I'm just showing you with a plasterboard plug here. So we've gone straight through into the wall, so straight through the back of the crossboard here on the back of the unit. Then we've installed our raw plug, depending on whether it's hollow or a solid wall. You can even find, because there's no set place you need to drill, if you're using a studded wall, you can actually find the stud if you want to go into the stud. So you can drill anywhere along this back of this unit, which is so versatile, because normally with the angle brackets, you're only using the side of the unit, so you've only got one place you can screw. So then you take your screw, you go through the back of the unit, you take your spacer and you put your screw straight through your spacer and straight into your raw plug. Then you can undo the spacer and just wind it out until you get to the desired place, like that. So now it forms a bridge across that gap, which is totally solid. So then all we need to do then is just nip the screw up, like that, and the unit's fitted back to the wall. The versatility of this is, same as I say, you can put that wherever you want on the back of the unit. You can wind this in and out. So if you want to throw the unit away from the wall, all you've got to do is slacken your screw off and wind this to wind the unit away from the wall if you need to adjust it. Also, one amazing feature of this product is that if ever you need to take a base unit out when the weight tops have been fitted, you can actually unscrew the unit from the weight top if there's any fixings, and then you can just unscrew the screw underneath and slide the unit out from underneath the weight top. This spacer plug will just drop onto the floor and then you can just pick it up and reuse it. You can actually super glue these using some Mitafast or something back to the back of the unit if you want to, but you don't need to, because this will actually drop and then you'll be able to just get it and reuse it, so it cuts down on waste. So what an amazing product. It's just makes you wonder how we've managed without it. So that's the space plug, folks. Hope you've enjoyed the video, and if you want to fit any kitchen cabinets or any type of furniture back to a wall and you just want a product that just saves you so much time and effort, the space plugs for you. It comes in 3 sizes. You've got your 15 to 35 mil, you've got your 30 to 50 mil, and you've got your 45 to 80 mil. I'm sure if you use these things, you'll never go back to stretcher or angle brackets. They're just amazing. They've got so many uses, holding kitchen cabinets, furniture, tall bookcases that you don't want to topple over on the kids. It's just an amazing product. So if you want some, there's a link in the description below, and let me know in the comments if you use these, what you think of them, and I'll speak to you soon.